Just under 2 years ago, former FIFA referee Dwight was involved in a motor vehicle accident in Santa Cruz, which left him in hospital in serious condition. It was high noon when Royal left a gas station in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth, when his car was hit by a speeding vehicle. The driver of that vehicle fled the scene. Royal, who was trapped inside the crushed car, was eventually rescued and rushed to hospital by ambulance after parts of the wreckage were cut away. 2 years later, he recalls what happened on the day when his life flashed in front of his eyes.
That day I was at school. I went on the road to get some stuff done for classes, get some material for my class. Was going back to up by the school for a class, and then just coming across the road, gas station. This car come from nowhere and just overtook two cars, bombing my car, just outside the school gate. So I try not to remember, but you know, it's there. It comes back now and then.
So do you have flashbacks?
You know what, the accident itself, I minimize them. I used to have them often earlier on, but nowadays, I just try to ignore. Because what if does not change anything? This is the reality right now. So I try to stay away from the what if. What if it brings down depression and stress? I don't want that.
What about that hit and run driver?
I really don't know. I don't know who he is. I've not heard from him or seen him ever. I don't know. So I don't know.
What about the law?
The law? The law, so we check with the law. They said I was the person who created the accident that was wrong, and that was just where it dies.
What did they use to determine that you were wrong?
I really don't know. Can't say. But from their standpoint, we went to Black River for our report from the police, and that was what we got. And we had the case with my uncle who's a lawyer. Unfortunately, he passed away. So from there, nothing.
Have you lost faith in where the law is concerned of this land?
I'll just say the law is what it is. It's not what it's supposed to be, but it is what it is. And in terms of trusting the law itself, no. I don't have any confidence in terms of getting justice from certain situations with the law.
That's sad.
Yeah, it's really sad. Because in terms of transparency, no.
What do you hope for from all this?
I don't even think about the person who created the accident or caused it. I think about how many persons can learn from my experience and you know, learn from my experience and be positive. Knowing that with life, everything is possible.
How has it changed your life since this accident?
Dramatically. I mean, you have dreams and you have goals set, you have things to achieve, and then in the split of a second, all that goes down. You know, there's a lot to digest. But I've learned to cope. I have persons around me that motivates me. My father has been there from the beginning, a tower of strength. We have other family members, you have friends who will visit, call, text, and keep it mentally stable. So I mean, it's not what you want, but it is the reality.
Is the girlfriend still around?
I don't have a girlfriend. She went after the accident, so that's what's it.
And that's another big disappointment in terms of what love's supposed to be.
Well, what is love? How many person know what love is? Who knows? Many of us know what love is. So in terms of partner being there and whatever, you know, it is what it is. It's the reality.
Have this draw you closer to the Almighty?
Obviously, definitely. It has taught me now that what is man? Nothing. We're here today and gone tomorrow. So we must have faith in the higher being. The supreme being, yeah. He's the one who created us, so he knows everything about us. So we must have faith in him, because only through him all things are possible.
And there's a message for those reckless drivers as well.
There's a message for everyone, because you could be walking, riding, standing, and happens. So it's a message to everyone.
When you recover from all this now, you must have said to yourself, when I recover, I want to be a person of what?
Using my experience, I'd love to use this experience to motivate others that look, with God, all things are possible. And I'd love to work as a physiotherapist or as something within helping others in my condition to get better. So even if I go back to teaching, I still love to contribute, being a massage therapist or do something that helps others come through my situation.